Oh. Oh my God. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. Thank you.
I am Alena. I'm from Utah, Salt Lake City. My experience was great. At first, when I came here, I was a little bit scared, but I tried it, and believe me, the doctors, everybody's here is so nice and so good. And look at my teeth. Everything is so clean. The doctors are so nice. Everything's here, it's perfect. It's better than in USA. Mexico is a beautiful country. We was here. The hotel is nice. People are so nice, so polite. Everybody really want to help us out for everything. Everybody come to this clinic. It's beautiful, nice. You have beaches, you have hotels. Everybody's so nice. Don't be scared.